You know how Meta, Facebook's parent company, has been pouring billions into AI? Well, they just announced they're cutting 1 in 10 jobs. It feels a bit backwards, right? Basically, after investing a huge amount of money in developing artificial intelligence, Meta is letting go of a significant chunk of its workforce. This is actually their biggest layoff since last year, and employees had apparently been bracing for it. It's a huge shift in their strategy. What this means for us is that even tech giants are feeling the pressure to be more efficient, even with all their big AI bets. It shows how quickly priorities can change, and that even massive investments don't guarantee job security in the fast-paced tech world. You know how AI models are supposed to be super smart and full of information? Well, it turns out they often prefer to look things up with external tools, even when they already know the answer. It's like a genius who always Googles everything instead of trusting their own brain. What happened is researchers found that large language models consistently overuse tools, even for simple tasks they could solve internally. They basically observed this across many different AIs. It's not just a fluke, it's a real pattern. What this means is that these AIs might be slower or less efficient than we thought. They're wasting time reaching for a calculator when they could do the math in their head. For us, this could impact everything from how quickly. So you know how everyone's using AI for school or work, writing papers or reports. Well, a new paper just dropped saying that's actually a huge problem for learning. Basically, if AI writes something really good, it looks like you understand the material, but you might not at all. The paper calls this proxy failure. The finished product is great, but it no longer proves your actual knowledge or skill. It's like getting an A on a test you cheated on. What this means is we need better rules for how AI-generated work gets graded or evaluated, especially in places where learning is key. Otherwise, we might end up with a lot of people who seem competent on paper, but actually lack the real understanding. That's pretty wild to think about.